They've done it before, but with the watch running and glory at stake, the pressure to get it right is increased.
Is this wrong? No, this is right.
That's right, yeah.
These people have accepted the challenge of their head instructor, Randy Schultz.
Well, the vehicle had to be designed to be able to play a polo match. They also had to be able to produce electric power.
And it had to be human-powered. And to make it even more interesting, it all has to fit inside this wooden box.
That box had to contain the entire vehicle except for the road wheels or the short axles that are attached to them. So it's quite a design challenge.
Which is why there are so many different solutions to the same problem.
What are the design features that you're particularly proud of your machine, Mike?
This one, I definitely have to say the differential.
It's reverse steering, which is very complex.
It's kind of like a gazelle, but it's very strong.
Which should be perfect for the first part of the challenge, the slalom course.
Every time you displace a cone, there's a 5-second penalty. On your mark, get set, go!
But on the slalom course, the gazelle appears to be hobbled. While Mike and Mike are able to put their machine's ability to turn in its own length to good use. Now the teams bring out their secret weapons, their polo mallets. And it's game on. Amazing no one got brained in this spirited competition. Luckily, it only lasted 10 minutes.
Time, that's it! 5-3 for the blue team or the victors.
No time for resting on laurels, though. The teams immediately start converting their machines from vehicle to power generator.
We're generating electricity, which is running a blower motor, which will push air up the tube, and we have a weighted cup in the tube, put some pressure on them.
Oh, we should be perfectly lined up.
This competition is almost like a final exam for these students.
It's really a culmination of a lot of skills and applications that they developed in the 2 years that they've been with us. It brings it all together in something which is fun and enjoyable.
Towards the end, the scorekeeping got a little sketchy, so it was hard to declare an outright winner. Suffice it to say, though, this competition produced a lot more winners than it did losers. David Kincaid, CTV News, Burnaby.